I've always wondered how the thermos really work. Well, knowing that this container retains heat perfectly, but how does the liquid in the thermos keep its temperature for such a long time? Let's first look at what the thermos consists of. It consists of two containers so that there is small space between them to form a vacuum. Close the thermos with a special lid made of the material that quickly transmits heat for a thermal solution. In fact, a thermos-type container was invented quite a long time ago. For this first time, a container for storing liquefied gases was invented by the German scientist Reinhold in 1881. It was a glass container with a vacuum between the two walls. The famous Scottish chemist of the 19th century James Dewar made a number of the discoveries in the field of physics and chemistry, but perhaps he was remembered by people thanks to his household invention. 11 years after Reinhold's discovery, he perfected the design, giving it the shape of a flask with a narrowed neck. In addition, the interwall space was sealed, and the air was pumped out in the same way as its predecessor. The diagram shows the design of the Dewar vessel. The foundation, vacuum, thermal solution lower, absorbent, external and internal tanks, the neck, looking element, vacuum tube. What needs to be taken into account in the thermos device to stop the heat transfer process? It is required to understand the types of heat transfer in order to understand how the thermos should work correctly. There are three types of heat transfer. The first type is thermal conductivity. This is a method of transferring heat from more heated areas of the body to less heated areas, or from hotter bodies to less heated ones in direct contact. Vacuum has the lowest thermal conductivity, so the cooling of the liquid in the thermos is very slow. The second type is convection. This is a method of heat transfer by liquid or gas jets. This physical phenomenon could be observed in the thermos if the throat of the flask was not closed with a special stopper that prevents the transfer of heat from the liquid into the air. The third type is radiation. This is a way of transferring heat in the form of invisible rays. All bodies heated to any temperature emit invisible rays that transmit heat. The heater the body temperature, the more energy is emitted. Our theoretical research helped to reveal the secrets of the thermos device. The thermos is a very convenient thing that will definitely come in handy on a hike, on the road, and in ordinary household affairs. The role of food can be not only drinks, but also first and second courses, herbal infusions, ice cream, and many other products.